Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Solana wallets, like Phantom and Solflare, inside your Telegram mini app. If you're building a decentralized app, or just want to enable crypto interactions inside Telegram, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, your users will be able to open your mini app inside Telegram, connect their wallet, and interact securely with your bot or backend. Let's dive in. To follow along, you'll need a few things ready. First, a Telegram bot created through BotFather. Second, a basic web app. It can be built using any front-end framework like React or plain HTML and JS. And finally, wallets like Phantom or Solflare installed on your browser or mobile device. We'll also need access to a Solana RPC endpoint, but don't worry. We won't go deep into blockchain programming in this video. We're focusing purely on wallet connection inside Telegram. Telegram mini apps are essentially web apps that run inside Telegram's in-app browser. To make one, you connect your web app URL to your bot using a specific command. Once that's done, your bot can launch your interface when the user clicks a button. When your web app loads inside Telegram, it can access Telegram's web app API. This allows it to communicate with the Telegram interface, things like resizing the window, sending data back to the bot, and customizing the experience for mobile or desktop users. Now let's talk about connecting Solana wallets. Wallets like Phantom and Solflare work as browser extensions or mobile apps. When your web app runs, these wallets inject themselves into the browser environment. But Telegram's in-app browser can behave a bit differently. On mobile, if users have the Phantom or Solflare app installed and open your mini app via Telegram, it can still detect the wallet and prompt the user to connect. The magic happens through something called wallet adapters. These are standardized tools that help your web app talk to different wallets in a consistent way. They take care of detecting, connecting, and interacting with the wallet. Telegram mini apps have some unique behavior. For example, not all features of wallet extensions work inside the Telegram web view on iOS or Android, unless the user has the wallet app installed. You should always guide the user, show a message if no wallet is found, and recommend they open your mini app in a browser that has Phantom or Solflare installed, or install the app if they're on mobile. Once a wallet is detected, the user is usually prompted to approve the connection. Once approved, your app now knows their wallet address and can use it for things like checking balances, reading NFTs, or preparing a transaction. Once the user connects their wallet, you might want to send their wallet address to your Telegram bot for logging, verification, or other back-end logic. This is possible using Telegram's web app API, which allows your mini app to send data directly back to the bot. On the back end, your bot will receive that information and can use it for whatever purpose you want, maybe to whitelist users, verify ownership, or trigger a blockchain action. This flow is secure and fully contained within the Telegram ecosystem, which means a smoother and more trusted user experience. And that's how you connect Phantom and Solflare wallets inside a Telegram mini app. This is a powerful combo, bringing Web3 functionality right into one of the most popular messaging apps in the world. If you want to go further, like letting users sign transactions or trigger swaps on Solana DEX, let me know in the comments. I'd love to make a part 2. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more dev tutorials, and turn on the bell so you don't miss a beat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.